ever feel like your body is sending mixed signals? You're dealing with constant, watery diarrhea, exhaustion, and that frantic rush to the bathroom. Yet every doctor's visit ends with everything looks normal. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone, and you're not imagining it. You might be dealing with an invisible condition called microscopic colitis. So, what is it? Let's take a closer look, a much closer look. Imagine we're shrinking down and traveling through a colon. On the surface, during a regular colonoscopy, everything appears perfectly healthy and pink. There are no ulcers, no visible signs of trouble. This is why it's so often missed or misdiagnosed as something like IBS. The real story, however, is hidden at a microscopic level. When a pathologist examines a tiny tissue sample or biopsy from the colon wall under a microscope, a completely different picture emerges. They can see what the naked eye can't. Inflammation, specifically an army of immune cells called lymphocytes, has invaded the lining of the colon. There are two main types of microscopic colitis. In lymphocytic colitis, there's an abnormally high number of these lymphocytes. In collagenous colitis, not only are the lymphocytes present, but there's also a thick extra layer of collagen protein that has built up right beneath the surface. Both of these conditions disrupt the colon's most important job, absorbing water from stool. When the colon lining is inflamed and damaged, it can't do this properly. As stool passes through, it remains watery, leading to the chronic, urgent diarrhea that defines this condition. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. It can seriously impact your quality of life. The constant diarrhea leads to dehydration, fatigue, and a persistent fear of being too far from a restroom. It can disrupt work, social events, and your overall sense of well-being. So, what causes this microscopic invasion? The exact cause isn't fully understood, but it's thought to be an autoimmune response. Essentially, the body's own immune system mistakenly attacks the colon. Certain triggers are believed to play a role. Some common medications, like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, and even certain foods can sometimes set off or worsen symptoms. There is also a potential link to an imbalance in the gut microbiome and issues with bile acid absorption. Interestingly, microscopic colitis is most common in older adults, particularly women, but it can affect anyone. The good news is that once it's properly diagnosed through a biopsy, microscopic colitis is very treatable. The key is getting that diagnosis, which means advocating for yourself. If you have persistent watery diarrhea and your colonoscopy looks normal, ask your doctor about the possibility of microscopic colitis and whether taking biopsies is appropriate. Treatment often involves medications like budesonide, which is a steroid that targets inflammation directly in the gut with fewer side effects than other steroids. Other options include bismuth subsalicylate and making dietary adjustments to avoid personal triggers. Hydration and maintaining electrolyte balance are also crucial for managing symptoms. With the right treatment, the inflammation can resolve, the colon lining can heal, and its ability to absorb water can be restored. People who have struggled for months or even years can finally get their lives back, free from the constant worry and discomfort. If you've been struggling with unexplained symptoms, remember that there is hope. Invisible illnesses are real, and getting the right diagnosis is the first step toward healing. Don't give up on finding answers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health explainers. Take care of yourselves.